Hey YouTube, today we're talking about the CoCocka USB-C, USB3 OTG SD card reader. There are literally hundreds of SD card readers out there, and I just happened to pick up this guy on Amazon for the dual USB3, USB-C interfaces. So let's see how this thing performs. Thanks for checking out my video, everyone. My name is Jerry, and this is my new YouTube channel where I discuss the things that I buy and what I like about them. If you like what I'm doing, help be one of my first 1,000 subscribers and hit the button below. This SD card reader from CoCocka is a portable matte black dongle with USB Type-C and USB 3 Type-A connections and works with both standard and micro SD card sizes. The OTG, or on-the-go feature, means that it works with certain Android and iOS devices for direct transfer. The case on this reader has a bit of a soft touch feel and has caps at either end to expose the USB ports. Since I've been working on this YouTube channel, I've been trying to refine my process and workflow, and I've found one part of the process extremely excruciating: transferring large audio and video files from my devices to my computer. Transferring an 11 gigabyte file from my camera to my desktop runs at about 25 megabytes per second, which takes about 6 minutes. This doesn't seem like a lot of time, but when transferring a lot of files from my camera and my audio recorder, it really adds up. I figured for $11, maybe this guy could save me some time. My main SD card is a 256 gigabyte SanDisk Extreme Pro, capable of read speeds up to 170 megabytes per second. When I use the CoCocka to transfer the same 11 gigabyte file to my desktop, which has an NVMe disk, it transfers at about 90 megabytes per second and completes in about 2 minutes. That's 300% faster. Let me show you another example. I transferred the same 3 gigabyte file using a USB connection from the camera, the built-in SD card reader, and the CoCocka reader. The direct from camera copy took 102 seconds. The built-in reader took 87 seconds. And the CoCocka took 31 seconds. Having the USB-C connection on the reader is also nice because I can connect it directly to my iPad Pro. I've tried doing some basic video editing on my iPad, but mostly I've used this for personal photos and videos. This allows me to use my Canon M50 to take some great shots and then quickly get them to my iPad to upload to Google Photos or sync to other devices. So, in my opinion, the CoCocka SD card reader has been a great investment at $11. This reader saves me time when importing videos into my desktop, and it also gives me different connection options for multiple workflows. There may be better, faster, stronger, more powerful SD card readers out there, but at the moment, this does exactly what I need. Thanks YouTube for watching my video. If you have any questions or comments about the CoCocka, or you have recommendations about other readers I should try, drop them in the comments below. If you like what I'm doing, hit subscribe, and I'll see you next time.